Hey, salut. Marahay na adlaw. Guess what? You're tuning in to The Squat Show, airing live on CKUT 90.3 FM, brought to you by Radio Kapwa. I'm your host, Nikki Anchovy, and if you're wondering why anchovies, well, why not? I like them fried, I like them on a sambal, all served with rice, all the ways. So, my business, not yours. But anyway, it's Wednesday, December 18, and maybe this is TMI, but my birthday is in 2 days on the 20th, and I couldn't be more excited. So, to kick off the midweek, let's dive into some of my favorite tunes from the Philippines. First is Offals, coming all the way from Cebu, with their post-punk track, Motorcycle Motorway.
No name, just a number. dug your name through the dirt and see how it feels. A life lived in the shadows is a life left unfulfilled. There's heavy breath, a life that always the blood. Peace in the way, we're not, we're not. Die, my motherfuckers!
Feign, 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 Feign. That was some Cebuano hardcore from Stab with their latest single, Feign, released under the Forever Homies, Hostile Youth Records. Before that was Cebu's Gleam with their latest single, Goldfish, and Offals with Motorcycle Motorway, released under Pawn Records in Cebu. How you feeling? Got the December blues? Well, here's a little secret, me too. But not everything can be about me, right? So we've got some songs to share and some grievances to air, and I'm excited to share a bunch of tracks from this new record label in Manila called Kuwago Records. They're a non-profit label dedicated to supporting farmers, agricultural workers, and fisherfolk in the motherland. Recently, they just held their first show in Manila, so very cool, and all their record and concert proceeds go to supporting peasant advocacies and campaign expenses, so definitely check them out if you can. Ready to listen? Let's dive in.
Optimistic. It's because I'm ready to make sacrifices. to do the hard work and to do the fighting. No? You are supposed to be able to contribute the utmost you can that is necessary at any stage. No? The revival of the new democratic revolution may not yet be fully accomplished. You may die without seeing the socialist revolution, but so long as you are ready to die in the course of the struggle, then you are not afraid. And because the communist spirit is to give everything you can that is necessary at every turn of the revolution. You have to be optimistic that you will prevail. Or if you yourself, you don't live long enough to see the biggest of the victories, others will carry out the revolution and win the revolution. That's good enough, because a communist does not expect to make millions of dollars or some material rewards as a result of the revolution. You may even die without seeing the basic victory of the new democratic revolution, but you have a strong calculation, a strong belief and conviction based on the need and demands of the people themselves that the revolution will triumph in the end.
Full of arrogance and bliss, where we had put it in its place.
That was some Filipino punk rock from Comply Resist with their 2024 track, Diskuntento. Before that was Gallows with some politically charged post-rock with the 2023 track RJRS, or 3, Revolutionary Optimism. And then GAPAS with the hardcore single Rurok off of the 2024 Saka compilation, Songs for Peace. Up next are 3 hardcore and metal bands also under Kuwago Records, starting with Soldados Tios and their song Pugot na Ulo ng Estado.
May pangitain ng pagbalikwas na hindi madaling makalimutan ng mga heneral. Parang marcha ng pulang hantik na nag-iipon ng makakain sa tag-ulan. Hayaan mo sa pagbabanta ng pagbangon, maliliit na pagtitipo na nagiging pag-aalsa.
combatants are using the guns, waging war to the people. Because in the first place, they are killing the people. The only way to topple down the exploitative or the exploiting class is only legal and fight back and to shoot back.
revenge will be gunfire and gallows. Our revenge will be your terror and demise. Our revenge will uproot all that you've built. Our revenge will be the blossoming of 1,000 flowers, the blossoming of a society of a new type. Our revenge will be justice and retribution. Our revenge will be the end of starvation. Our revenge will be a just and lasting peace. Our revenge will be the brotherhood of all. Our revenge will be free irrigation. Our revenge will be expropriation without compensation. Our revenge will be free land distribution. Our revenge will be national industrialization. Our revenge will be a fair wage. Our revenge will be the abolition of the wage system. Our revenge will be the laughter of our children. Our revenge will be the laughter of our children. Our revenge will be the laughter of our children. Our revenge will be the laughter of our children, echoing throughout the world.
If you're just tuning in, that was Manila's FLESHWOUND with the track Riddle of Lightning off the 2022 compilation Walang Panginoon ang Lupa. Before that was the hardcore track Transactional Rifle by Limbs from their 2023 album Everything Under Heaven, and Soldados Tios with Pugot na Ulo ng Estado. If you're just tuning in, you're listening to The Squat Show on CKUT 90.3 FM, brought to you by Radyo Kapwa. I'm Nikki Anchovy, and we're just about to wind things down now. So before we get into some news and community announcements, let's end this set with some Pinay rap from Kuwago Records' Switchbitch and the track TLDR TRL.
Silang luminang ng lupa, sikmuray di man lang mapunan. Ilang dekadang pagkamkam, monopolyo ng iilang. Di nakatapak sa lawak ng lusak, pilit ipinapagait. Mga gahaman tuktok na kinabangbang tayo sa lahat at galit. Samantala, silang nagpapakasasa sa lupa. Gang nakaluklok, sistema pananatilihing bulok. Kung libong yapak ang tatahak, lindol ay tiyak. Kung yumanig ang sahig, kahit mga tore babagsak. Nakaugat lahat sa lupa, nakaugat lahat sa lupa. Puno tuluno, doon ang solusyon. Nakaugat lahat sa lupa. Sa lupa ililibing ibabaon kayong mga di nakatapak sa lupa. Kayong mga di nakatapak sa lupa ililibing ibabaon. Ha ha! Aanhin ang aning di mapupunta sa atin ang katin. Dayuhang gamit sa lupa natin, tinanim ang binhi. Napatid ang sanhi ng kagutuban, walang kasarinlan. Ha! Iba pinagsisilbihan. Nililin lang mga naglilinang ng lupa. Puro pekeng reforma, pumeprenteng makamasa. Bungkalan ng aming ha! Paghihiganti ha! Babawiin ng lupa mula sa kamay ng mga sakim.
Darating ang araw natin na problema. Paano kakain, paano papagkakasyahin sa araw-araw, paano patitiisin. Darating din araw na lupa ay babawiin. Lilikhain natin para sa atin. Darating
sa lupa. Nakaugat lahat sa lupa. Puno dulo doon ang solusyon. Nakaugat lahat sa lupa. Sa lupa ililibing ibabaon kayong mga di nakatapak sa lupa. Kayong mga di nakatapak sa lupa ililibing ibabaon. Ha ha! Paglaya ang pagbasag ng tanigala sa lupa. Ha! Paglaya ang pagbasag ng tanigala sa lupa. Ha!
Darating, 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 darating.
Pagmalikatwiran! Muli po mga kasama, pagtutugay sa mga martir ng magbubukid at bayani ng tambayanan. Mabuhay ang mga magbubukid at mamamayang kumikilos sa loob at labas ng bansa. Darating ang araw, magtatagumpay ang bayang lumalaban. Ibayong pagkilos, magpunyagi, makibaka, huwag matakot, atin ang bukas.
That was switchbitch and the track TLDR TRL. Thanks for tuning in to today's set of tunes. These tracks were all from the Philippines, but next month I'll include some tunes from across the diaspora in Southeast Asia. There's some wicked releases from Indonesia and Malaysia, some cool stuff from Thailand, and a few other places, so excited to share that next month. But anyway, let's get into some news. From Reuters, Indonesia will transfer Mary Jane Veloso, a Filipino woman who was sentenced to death for drug trafficking, to her home country in the early hours of Wednesday morning, December 18, a senior Indonesian official said. Indonesia last month agreed to repatriate Veloso, a former domestic helper and mother of two, who was arrested in Yogyakarta in 2010 after being found with 2.6 kilograms of heroin concealed in a suitcase. Veloso's case caused a domestic outcry in the Philippines, and she received a last-minute reprieve from execution in 2015 after the late former President Benigno Aquino III appealed to the Indonesian government, arguing she could be a vital witness in prosecuting drug syndicates. From Rappler, GMA7 journalist Atom Araullo won his civil suit against his red taggers, scoring a game-changing lower court win that could benefit other victims of red tagging. The Quezon City Regional Trial Court Branch 306 ordered SMNI hosts Lorraine Badoy and Jeffrey Solis to pay Araullo $2.08 million in damages and lawyers' fees to compensate for the red tagging and its effects on his personal life and on his career as a journalist, Judge Dolly Rose Bolante Prado said in her decision dated December 12 and released to media Friday, December 13. I am elated by the court's ruling. Above all, this case opens up a legal option for anyone who has been a victim of red tagging and harmful disinformation, particularly journalists. It is not okay to be attacked or harassed simply for doing our jobs, Araullo said in a statement. This case is a game changer because it is the first known application of a Supreme Court decision, publicized only last May, that finally defined red tagging as a threat to one's constitutional right of life, liberty, and security. Last month, Dumaguete was one of two cities officially endorsed by the Philippines as a UNESCO Creative City. Dumaguete, the provincial capital of Negros Oriental, has been chosen as one of two Philippine endorsements to the 2025 UNESCO Creative Cities Network in the field of literature. Virtucio said the endorsement underscores Dumaguete's rich cultural and literary heritage and aligns with the UNESCO vision of sustainable urban development through creativity. Anton Kabila, DTI Negros Oriental's creative industry program manager, said in the same press conference that a technical working group comprising representatives from the local government unit and local creatives, such as Ian Kasokot, are now drawing up the city's final portfolio for submission in January. Dumaguete City is known for many achievements in the field of literature, such as the Silliman University National Writers Workshop, the longest running in the country, and the Silliman University Library, having a huge circulation of some 100,000 volumes of books of various subjects, Gabile said. If Dumaguete City gets the designation as a UNESCO Creative City for literature, it will be joining the ranks of Baguio City, crafts and folk art, Iloilo for gastronomy, and Cebu for design. To learn more about these stories, you can find the links in the episode description. That was your news and community announcements for the week. Thanks for tuning into the Squad Show on CKUT 90.3 FM, brought to you by Radio Kapwa. I'm your host, Nikki Anchovy. If you want to wish me happy birthday or send me some sick tunes, Hit me up on Instagram at imiroy.hoy. That's IMIROY.HOI, which is waray for your mom. Anyway, love ya. Bye-bye.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Fenny Cristo welcoming you back to Radio Kapwa on 90.3 FM CKUT. It's the third Wednesday of the month, December 18th to be exact. And if you're just tuning in, that means it's been the Squat Show with Nikki Anchovy on air for around the last 55 minutes or so, with Nikki running the sickest tracks from the Philippines and Southeast Asian underground. With that said, I ain't gonna take up much of y'all time, so we got more space for them tunes. If you're hearing me, that means we are near the end of the show, and I'ma just bless y'all with a very few community announcements. Primarily for all our listeners in the greater Montreal area, or if you'll be in town for the next few days, you need to join Radio Kapwa and Santa Kapwa in celebrating the holidays and be part of Santa Kapwa's third annual parole making workshop this Friday, December 20, starting at 4 p.m. at Shift Concordia. A parole is a craft resembling a star-shaped lantern. For Philippine X, making paroles and hanging them outside their windows symbolize the victory of light over darkness, as well as their shared expression of faith, hope, and goodwill during the holiday season. First come, first served basis for the first 30 people to register for the parole making. The workshop is facilitated by Deanne C. Nardo and Zayon Axel, members of Ka Collective, artists of Santa Kapwa. To save your spot, visit our Instagram page at Santa Kapwa. Also, let's skip forward a bit because the next week is a holiday break. But yeah, starting January 21, 2025, from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. at the Centre Communautaire LGBTQ+ de Montréal, they'll be launching their first meetup of their book club. There will be themes and a space to exchanges with other participants. Reserve your spot as it is limited by filling up their form, which can be found on their Instagram page at CCLGBTQ+. Then finally, for the last weekend of January, there will be a day retreat free for racialized 2S LGBTQIA+ for self and community care. More details will be released soon, but be sure to follow via Instagram festival.opulence and @_lasterisk to get updated. And that's it. This has been Fenny Cristo in the MIC. Like I said earlier, I'm going to keep it short and sweet so we can focus on the music this episode. But before I head out, I just want to send out some season's greetings to our listeners, old and new, and keep tuning in to Radio Kapwa every Wednesday from 2 to 3 p.m. on 90.3 FM CKUT. See y'all next week. Much love, y'all. Peace.